niguo gwatinda barabara-ini nene ya Thika, arutwo a University ya JKUAT makihinga bara ino na komiti wa kiharo na gucungiriria muthianiriro munene wa ngari. Mbere ya kuhinga bara ino arutwo aya mekwambite gucera ceceni-ini ya borithi ya JUJA, indi magirio kuingira ni maabitha borithi aria matinda methaite magicungiririo kuhundukana manyitana na gutharario UKUI.
Imetuma kama comrades, watu wanakufa, watu wanauawa, watu wanabadaktiwa, watu wanatupwa, watu wanakejeliwa. Kenya tunataka ni kuwa DENZEL afanyiwe justice.
We don't want the police officers who are blocking us to come inside here. We just want the investigating team to tell us what is the action that they took, how far are they, because we can't keep on coming here. Today is on a Friday, right? On Tuesday we were here and they were bringing 8 GSU officers blocking us to come inside here. Sai wako na rungu. What do they want to do with that one, that investigating team to tell us what have they done?
Kihumo kia mirurungano ino ni gikuo kia DENZEL OMONDI, umwe wa arutwo aya no rio urari mwaka wa gatatu, no ria mwiri wake wakorirwo urerete KWAREINI imwe ituraini ria mashinani. Arutwo aya magikuo ni kuragwo uragirwo thutha wa kunyitwo migwate.
Kiu ni kihoto kiria turaruira tondu students makoretwo guku makiuragwo na tutire tuona kihoto. Riu turahoya DC na turahoya andu a guku borithi cia guku citunyite mbaru ona itwe nigetha cituhe kihoto kiria gikorotwo gikika guku JUJA tondu students ni maretigira ona hena intake yagirirwo guka September ona andu ni magwitigira guka.
OMONDI ari umwe wa arũrũngani aria makinyithirie maguru mao bunge-ini ya bururi makiregana na watho wa kigina, watho uria mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto acokire guteaniria.
DENZEL was involved in the anti-tax demonstrations. After that, he was abducted on 26th of June this year, when state operatives, including the incompetent National Intelligence Service, was abducting people. Since then, amepatikana amekufa. So you want to know what is the status of inquiry of his murder inquiry, because clearly we are seeing an opaqueness in the way these sham investigations are being conducted.
DENZEL anazikwa 22nd of this month. Wanatuambia we will keep on updating you. Where? And even after the loss of DENZEL, there was no official communication from the investigating in JUJA. We follow all their social media handles and no any other action was taken. After DENZEL was found, comrades were there. I personally was there. And they were telling us, we step aside, we can't take photos, we can't see the body. How? And then taking him to THIKA.
Arutwo aya maugite OMONDI ni kuragwo uragirwo ni andu matoikaine makihinyiriria aria matafanirie ngero ya unyamu manyitwo na matacukirio ikinya ria kiwatho.
We want to tell President Ruto to fire the IG, to change the security structure here. The DCI of JUJA here. We are well informed. Abduction is against section against cap 63 of the Constitution of Kenya.
Kenya tunataka ni kuwa DENZEL afanyiwe justice. Hatuwezi tutikane. And other fallen soldiers. We are here. We are the Gen-Z.
Indi uthuthuria wa mwiri wa OMONDI wirigite ica ikuhe wa ithuriria ati akuire thutha wa kunywa maĩ KWAREINI iyo. Mwiri wake ugikorwo na nguraro thutha wa mutwe na maguru-ini. Uguo niguo gwatinda barabara-ini nene ya Thika, arutwo aya makihita matigũtigithiria mirũrũngano ĩno nginyagia kihoto kia ũmwe wao kĩonekane. Kuma barabara-ini nene ya Thika, gĩcigo-inĩ kia ũmbunge kia JUJA kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mathiũ Ndung'u.